Hi, this is Jeana at Art of Skincare, and today I'm going to be showing you the HOP routine. Now, you may know HOP as Sculplla, or you may have heard of it as Caviplla, or you may have heard of it as Tove. There have been some name changes over time, but the new name and what we're calling it is HOP Plus, and that stands for House of PLLA. Now, this skincare routine is fantastic for anybody that has dehydrated, tired, or stressed out skin. It totally plumps up your skin and makes it absolutely radiant. So let's get started. First thing you need to know is you have to have very clean skin when you're using the Caviplla products, especially the Caviplla Serum. It has an oxygenator in it that drives the ingredients into the skin. It's going to drive that PLLA into the skin, but it can't do that if your skin isn't really clean. So be sure that you use a gel cleanser before you do your routine in the morning. I'm going to use Dr. Esthé. This is a moisturizing gel cleanser. Use a little bit, foam it up a little bit in my hands, rub it on, and then get some water. And I'm gonna do a nice full 2-minute cleansing massage on my face. So my face now is nice and squeaky clean. It's ready to accept these great ingredients that HOP puts into their products. We've got PLLA, which is a polylactic acid. It's actually a polymer from lactic acid that actually goes in and plumps the skin, stimulates collagen. We've got growth factors, peptides, anti-inflammatories, all these wonderful things that make the skin look so great. So step 2 is your Pilleo skin prep. This is a bubble tonic that helps your Caviplla to penetrate into the skin, and you use it with your fingertips. No need to use a toner pad with it. Always apply everything from your forehead all the way down, and for me, I apply all the way to my belly button. For you today, I'm just gonna go down to my chest. I highly recommend going all the way to your belly button with these products. Okay, step 2 is to grab your Caviplla. You're gonna wanna use 2 pumps. See how nicely that foams up on the skin? That's a great oxygenating delivery system to really deliver these ingredients down into your skin. So now an option is to use your Time Master Pro, use it on the lowest setting, and work the bubbles into the skin. If you don't have a device to drive your bubbles in, just use your fingers and keep massaging until it completely disappears. Once the slip disappears, you're done with your device and you can turn it off. If you would like to continue using your device on the neck and chest, or you want to use it for a few more minutes on your face, just grab your Promoter Collagen Gel. This is a conductive gel, and you can leave it on, doesn't have to be rinsed off. You can apply a little bit to the neck and chest, a little bit to the areas of the face where you want to spend a little more time with your TMP. Now, a mistake that many people make with their HOP products is they use Caviplla as their moisturizer. But guess what? This is not your moisturizer. Caviplla works synergistically with the Promoter Repair Cell Moisturizer. They need to be used together, and you will get the most benefit if you use them together. Now, what I'm going to do, and a way that you can boost, everything that we're doing right now is really great for plumping the skin and making it very radiant and moist. But if you have deepening lines and expression lines on the forehead, around the face, you're gonna wanna boost your Promoter Repair Cell Moisturizer with some of the gold serum, the gold Ampoule from Hevatox. So I've got the Promoter Repair Cell Moisturizer in my hand. I mix the two together. And I apply to my face, my neck, my chest, all the way down to my belly button. We want to take good care of the tissue around the eyes. So I'm going to be using my Promoter Repair Eye Cream. I love the way this works. You just want to massage it into any areas where you have those smile lines or dehydration lines around the face. And I just love how radiant my skin is with this protocol. So wonderful. So next step, now we're doing so many things here to really rebuild, repair, plump up that collagen layer of your skin and make it nice and healthy. What we don't want to do is go out in the sun and have the sun damage that baby collagen we're producing. So the next step in your routine is to grab your sunscreen. Today I have the All Mineral Multi-Protection Face and Body Sunscreen from HOP. This has the PLLA in it and it has growth factors in it as well. So I'm going to put some of that on. Next step after my mineral sunscreen, I love to use the HOP Sun Cushion. The Sun Cushion just gives the skin a little bit of color. It has a really beautiful finish to it. Show it to you there. This is your makeup replacement. Most people like to use this in place of a makeup. It has a very nice natural finish. It just melts into the skin, keeps the skin really beautiful. Final step, I grab my stem cell mist. Stem cell mist is your finishing spritz of PLLA. Now, many clients think, why would I want to spray that on at the end? It's just going to sit on top. Well, this does not just sit on top. The delivery mechanism goes right through. You can put it on after makeup if you want to put on a full face of makeup. It's your perfect setting spray. It just melts into the skin. It makes your skin just look absolutely beautiful, and your makeup just glows and looks perfect for the entire day. This is my HOP routine for glowing, radiant skin. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, reach out to us at Art of Skincare, and I look forward to seeing you again.